In this video, we'll show you how to unlock your Ford radio if it's asking for a code after a battery change or power loss. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding your radio serial. Your radio serial is a unique set of letters and numbers that are used to calculate your unlock code. To get started, turn on your ignition and wait for the radio display to power up. Getting your radio serial is simple. Just hold down 1 and 6 together until the cycle process begins. Your radio serial will appear in the cycle process and begins with V followed by 6 numbers. Keep watching and see if you can spot it. And there it is. The serial in this example is V189439. You may need to repeat the cycle process a few times to catch the radio serial as it disappears quickly. At this stage, it's a good idea to note down your serial number as you'll need it to generate your radio code. If you can't find your serial, check the video description for more retrieval methods. Step 2. Generating your radio code. Head over to www.decodemyradio.co.uk and enter your radio serial number. In this example, our serial is V189439. Follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve your radio code. It's quick and easy, and you'll have your code in no time. Step 3. Entering your radio code. Switch on your radio, then wait for code to appear on the display. If code doesn't appear, press the middle button until it does. In this example, we will set our radio code, which is 8358. Keep pressing the number 1 button to set the first digit of the radio code. Keep pressing the number 2 button to set the second digit of the radio code. Keep pressing the number 3 button to set the third digit of the radio code. Keep pressing the number 4 button to set the fourth digit of the radio code. Check your unlock code is correct on display, then press 5 to activate your radio. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you unlock your radio. Enjoy your music and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the website for more. See you next time.